Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take trades over 5 minutes by analyzing 1 minute candlestick chart. We will apply our strategy, the price action strategy, and I will explain you why I took the trade so that you can understand it well and can apply it in your live trading session. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we will try to find a good chart so that we can place our trade. So as you can see right now, in Euro US dollars, the market is ranging here. So I will try to draw some levels here because this chart is good if we get a breakout here. So I will try to draw some levels. So this is the resistance level, and I will not draw my support level here because the main thing which I wanted in this chart is a breakout in the upward direction, because you can see market is holding and is respecting this level for a very long time. So if there is a breakout in the upward direction, market will going to go very strongly in the upward direction, that is for sure. So let's wait. We will going to wait for the next 2 or 3 minutes for this chart. I will try to create an alert. So this is the alert. So we will try to switch to different chart to find more trading opportunities, because I don't want to waste your time. So in this case, it's a trendy market, which is really a good thing, and market is at the resistance level. I will try to draw the peak as well as the main resistance level. So this is the resistance zone, and market is currently at the resistance zone. So it's an extreme level, so we can take a reversal trade here, a trend reversal trade. So always remember that when you are going against the trend, we will trade for the 4 minute, otherwise we will trade for 5 minute when going with the trend. So right now we will wait for the market to get weak, and then only we can place our trade. Right now the situation is good. Market is showing interest of the sellers, but still the sellers are not that strong. I will wait for the confirmation, the clear confirmation. Right now there is a fight between both the buyers and the sellers, and let's see who's gonna win. And yes, it's a good trendy chart, and okay, so this is going to be a good candlestick confirmation. The previous candlestick was also good, but we need proper confirmation. Market reverses, rejected again. No problems, we will wait because patience is the key. Sometimes we have to wait for like 15 to 20 minutes to find one trading opportunity. Right now, as you can see, market reverses, so there is no point taking a trade here. This is a buying signal. It's a sign that buyers are interested. So placing a lower option here will be much more riskier. I don't want to risk my money because I know when to place the trade. Now I will try to draw some levels here also. So this is a strong level of support here. Let me tell you why. What I need here is that a breakout in the downward direction from this support level, because it is the recent strong support level, and as this is an uptrend, so there are 70 to 80% chances that market will reverse using the same level. So what we need here is a breakout from this support also, and one thing we can do is can take a retracement reversal trade from this level also, because with that we can place our trade in the direction of the trend. So we will wait. Right now market is not showing any clear sign. this was the breakout, so it's a confirmation that market is strongly moving in the upward direction. It is breaking and is forming higher highs. If you look carefully in this chart, this was the higher high, and that's why we can say that you can see market, if you look carefully here, this was the we can say that this was the neckline, and it's been broken by the strong bullish candle. So it's a sign that market will go in the upward direction in the near future. And you can see that market is getting weaker. This is a spinning top suggesting indecision in the market. Now market is at the support level, and it is at the exact level which we want to use, and you can see the rejection from the buyers, meaning that buyers are interested. You can see that some of the orders were left unfilled, and these orders were going to be fulfilled here. So you can see this is the rejection market is giving us from the same exact level, and as this is an uptrend, market will go in the upward direction. But can we place our trade here? No, absolutely not. We need a proper bullish candlestick to clear our doubt and give us some evidence that yes, the buyers are interested. But can we place a breakout trade here if we get a breakout right now? Well, for me, I think that taking a breakout trade will be a riskier thing right now because market is rejecting this level. So it might be the case that market gives you some false breakout, and we didn't have enough room as well, because market, you can see that there is a support level at this level, and we didn't have enough room for the market to go on and on. So in such case, what you do when you are in a trendy market, you try to draw some trend lines to find out if we have any support level. Like in this case, this is a support trend line, and we can say that it's a support level for us. Right now market is at the support level. This was previously a resistance. Now it can work as a support. I'm not drawing it because it is going to make the chart very messy. I want my chart to be very clear. So now we can remove this level because it's of no use now. So I will place it here. So right now market is moving with a proper price action. As I have explained in my previous video, that market always moves with proper price action, and this is a good price action because you can see the market going in some trend direction and then some retracement, and then the continuation of the trend is going to happen. And let's take this level as the support zone. So this is the support zone. Now if we get a confirmation like a good bullish candlestick pattern, can we place a trade? Can I place my trade here? Well, for me, I cannot place my trade here for a simple reason that last candle was strong, and I think that market will take some time to break the level. Okay, so it is breaking the recent, this is the recent resistance for me, and if this candle closes above the level, we are going to place our trade. Otherwise we will wait for the retracement and can place our trade here because we have got some confirmation here. What we need when we are taking reversal is a retracement and the reversal with proper confirmation, and these two candlesticks form a good candlestick pattern, and we can place a trade for sure in the upward direction. So let's wait for the market to close because okay, so we have placed our trade and it is going to be a good trading setup. Why? As market is moving in an uptrend, we all know, and it is moving with some price action, a proper, we can say a price action. market retraces back. It hit the support level, previous support level, which was actually the neckline area also. You can see this was the neckline area. I will remove it, and market gives us a proper signal at the same time. But I didn't place my trade here because this candlestick was smaller than the previous one. So there was a doubt in my mind that maybe the market will reverse from that recent resistance. But guess what? Market break through the level also, and it is going in the upward direction. And that these are the reasons why I took this trade, because we have got the confirmation. The price action was also good, and we are trading with the trend, which is uptrend in this case. So I hope that everything is explained in about this trading setup, and it was a good trading setup according to me. And sometimes you may lose in such cases. I'm not saying that it's a sure shot, because nothing is sure in this trading world. There are always probabilities, so you always take trades with probabilities. In such case, the probability is higher that we are going to win this trade. Otherwise, the probability can be lower. So we have completed all the rules. We have used the respected support level. We have got the candlestick pattern also. We have got the volume, and we have got the trend. Price has reached the level. Let's see if we can place a trade. Well, I'm placing my trade. Okay, we have placed at some higher level, but no worries. Why I'm taking this trade? Because I am expecting a good continuation in the upward direction, as I have explained in like 5 minutes ago, because the market was holding this level for a very long time, and when these things happen, we can expect that the market will move strongly in that breakout direction for some times, and the consolidation was there. Okay, you can see this is what I was talking about. This is what happened when prices like consolidate at a particular point. This candlestick is only the result of the pressure that has been created here. This was a pressure situation, and market is going in the upward direction because of the same. Right now it is reversing, but for me, market will go in the upward direction because so many buyers were waiting for the same breakout, and same thing happened here. So let's wait for the result. We will switch to our previous. Okay, so this is the trade. The trade is going to finish in the next 1.5 minutes, and it was a clear setup. Let me explain you again. So the first thing I noticed, that the market is moving in an uptrend. So for me, if I place my trade in the upward direction, it will be a good thing because trend is our friend. Second thing which I noticed, that market is making higher high, and it is moving with proper price action, meaning there will going to be retracement, and after the retracement phase, the market will continue to go in the upward direction, as this is an uptrend. So I was sure that from the support level, market will form some good pattern and will give us some volume candlestick. Then after that, we can place our trade. Sorry. The third thing which I noticed, that market broke through this neckline, meaning that market is actually going to go for a very long time in the upward direction, and as this was a strong level of support, we can trust this level. I didn't place my trade here for the simple reason because previous candle was stronger than this one, and I only placed my trade when I found out that market is weak. Otherwise, placing your trade when the market is strong can result in a serious loss. So always wait for the momentum to get weak, and when there is depletion, you can place your trade with confirmation. I did the same here. I waited for the market to break this recent resistance. This was the breakout. We put our trade, and you can see that it is moving healthy. This is what we call healthy price action, and that is how the market is moving. Now the market will retrace back because this is how a healthy price action works. So we have won this trade by applying our strategy. We followed the trend, the candlestick, the support, and the resistance. So now let's switch back to the previous one. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so you can see, as I told you that in my previous video, that whenever there is a situation of pressure, you always take a trade in the breakout direction. Why? Because so many traders are waiting for the breakout. It is quite visible. You can see, if this is visible, meaning that in all over the world, trader wants a breakout in the upward direction. So do I, and we took the trade. I wanted to place my trade here, but unfortunately it got placed here. But no worries, the market is the trade is going to finish in the next 25 seconds, and as we can say, as I can say, that our analysis was correct, because I will explain you once this trade is finished. It's a good setup, and I always wait for some consolidation, because whenever there is a consolidation, market break through and gives good trades. So you can see we have won this trade. Now we have won 2 trades, and both of these setups are of different category. One was on the price action, and we took a retracement reversal trade, and this was a breakout trade. Now let me explain you why I took this trade. So the simple reason was that market was consolidated here, but still market was forming higher highs, meaning market wants to go up, but there is a situation which is stopping them. So what is the situation? This resistance wall is hindering the path of the market, and buyers are trying really hard. Okay, buyers were trying really hard. You can see this is a selling zone, but market is traveling only at this level, meaning that sellers are trying, but buyers are motivated. They are pushing the market. They are not able to, because the sellers were trying their best. But at the end, this is creating a pressure situation in the market, and when such situation occurs, when there is consolidation at inside a box, the breakthrough, the breakout will give you good trading opportunities, and it happened here also. Now the second thing which I told in my previous video was that whenever you find like unhealthy price action, like in this case you can see this is an unhealthy price action, because market was not able to form the higher high or higher lows or lower lows or lower highs. It is moving in a range which creates pressure situation, and the pressure has been released by this breakout. Now some of you will take the trade here, which is a good thing because it is the proper breakout, but some of you will take a trade here, like you wait for the market to go up, and then you think that yes, this is the situation to buy. But this is also a situation of unhealthy price action, which was a result of the previous unhealthy price action. So what you need is a proper price action. This is not a proper, this is the result. The breakout is the result of this massive movement in the market, but it's unhealthy for sure too. So in such cases, market will reverse back quickly, but as the breakout is there, so there are 70% chances that market will continue to go in the upward direction, as it formed a higher high here, and this can work as a support now, which was previously working as a resistance. So if you are taking a breakout trade, always see if there is consolidation, and when consolidation happens, you can take a breakout in this case. Second trade which we took was a retracement reversal, because market was moving with healthy price action. It goes up, it comes down, which is called retracement, and this is the reversal which we took from a strong level of support. So I hope that I have explained you everything about these two trading setup, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. And if you find values in my videos, make sure you like them. If you don't have time for commenting on them, no worries, you can just like the video, because it helps the YouTube algorithm to like show these kinds of videos to more people. If you want that to happen, then you can do it, otherwise no need to. So till then, keep trading, keep working hard. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section and I will be happy to answer you as soon as possible. We'll see you in the next video. Good day.